Hey everybody, Jillian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a brand new unboxing video for you guys. I'm going to take you through the All Things New kit from Illustrated Faith and DaySpring, so let's jump into it. The kit again comes in this clear plastic pouch with drawstring. No, it's not a drawstring. I keep saying that. With the string enclosure. You guys know the drill. So this month's kit is super graphic and I love that. That is totally my style. So you get a peek at the design with Shauna's thank you card. And again, the name of this kit is All Things New. I am so excited about journaling this topic because I've had some wow God moments recently having to do with this very thing. So really excited to journal those in my Bible. So first up, let's look at the stamp set. Let's mix things up a little bit. So we've got a really fun stamp set here. We have words that make up the phrase, He makes all things new. We've got this really cool, different from anything else I've seen from Illustrated Faith, butterfly stamp. Because butterflies, of course, signal a new creation. So perfect to go along with this kit. And then you've got these triangles that will be so fun to like nest together, build a pattern. Super fun to work with these solid stamps again. Then you get a little sticker with the name of the kit, All Things New. Super cute. That's brand new to us. And then the tip-ins this month, you get 3, and they're double-sided. And oh man, are they gorgeous. Look at these. This looks like the back side, so I'll show you the front. We've got Romans 12:2 on here, and it's really cool handwriting. And then the back, hope and a future. This one has Isaiah 43:19 on there, and then this really cool geometric pattern with a bit of a different triangle. See the good things. And then he shall be to you a restorer of life, Ruth 4:15, again with the really cool geometric. And I love the colors. We get red this month, righteousness, peace, joy. So super excited about those. The washi tape, I may run out of this roll of washi tape. This may be one of my favorite washies from Illustrated Faith ever. Look at that. Nice and geometric. No words or phrases on it this month, which I kind of like. I love pattern. And then the clear stickers. We get some new shapes of clear stickers. So 2 sheets again. We're familiar with this design. We get 6 hearts, some flags, a banner here. And I love like this like crayon or chalkboard, like this black crayon look almost on this sticker, especially in these hearts. Whoops, just going crazy here. So he pours out mercy, hope, he wins, and then these really fun hearts again. And then here's the new shapes. So typically for this sheet we would see, will they be new? Let's look. For This Is Love, this one's totally wrecked, but we'll see if I can make some sense of the sticker sheet. Boop. Okay, so we had words last month, and then the month before for goals we had some more words. Okay, so maybe not a new design, or maybe it is a new design. I don't know. Different. It's different. So we've got some squares. I don't know that we've ever had like square stickers before. That's cool. And then these, since they're clear, it doesn't really matter the shape of these because they're just gonna like be really cool on your page. Any shape you want them to be. This one, so yeah, they're just like block with these really fun letters. So good things ahead, the way, God at work, new creation, all things new. He makes new ways, wait, he creates new people. So of course they all go with the devotional content this month. We have 8 devotional cards here, 8 sessions. He makes new ways. And then so you've got the Devo content on there, and then some journaling space. He transforms, same thing. He restores life. He creates new people. He starts over. He renews strength. I love these, don't you? He pours out mercy. And he wins. Amen. So that's a really quick look at the kit. I pulled some things from my stash to go along with the kit, but I'm gonna have you go over to my blog if you guys want to see what I pulled to coordinate with this kit. It is available now. You can get the kit via the affiliate link in my description below. If you want free domestic shipping, be sure to use the code IFSHIPSFREE when you check out, and I am so excited and looking forward to working through this kit with you guys. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.